Today I am going to tell you about a blockchain project named UMA, and everything you need to know about it. Here is what I am going to cover in this video. What is UMA and what do they offer? What is the price of UMA and which wallets are supported? Why is UMA great? And lastly, UMA price prediction. Universal Market Access, or UMA, was launched in December 2018 and is a decentralized synthetic asset creation protocol based on the Ethereum blockchain. UMA is a fast, flexible, and secure way to create synthetic assets on Ethereum, and there are great benefits for creating synthetic assets such as the creation time. UMA has already prepared a template for developers so they can quickly create synthetic assets with priceless contract templates. The priceless contracts don't require an on-chain price feed to function, and this reduces the frequency and surface area for Oracle attacks. They are designed with mechanisms to incentivize synthetic asset holders or the counterparty of the contract to properly collateralize their positions without requiring any on-chain price feed, and these mechanisms include a liquidation and dispute process that allows counterparties to be rewarded for identifying improperly collateralized positions, and unless a position is liquidated, it is assumed to be properly collateralized or solvent. Oracles are only used when a liquidation is disputed. UMA also uses their optimistic oracles, which are different from ordinary oracles. For those who don't know what an oracle is, oracles is the mechanism used to report off-chain information to a blockchain or smart contracts. DVM is only used to resolve disputes of liquidations and to settle synthetic token contracts upon expiration. In the event of a dispute, a price request is submitted to the DVM, which proposes a vote for UMA token holders to report what the price of the asset was at a specific timestamp. With these mechanisms, UMA contracts are provable secure, and by minimizing the use of on-chain oracles, you get increased security and reduced costs with minimal on-chain transactions, and you can use these off-chain oracles to create a synthetic asset of anything. If we take a look at the projects created on UMA's protocol, you can see there are many different synthetic assets. Some of these assets can be used to either long or short in assets, or you can buy yield coins, or even supply liquidity. Also, if you want to buy the leveraged assets, make sure you collateralize properly to avoid liquidation. With that being said, let's move on to the token. The UMA token is a governance token, so you can vote on proposals, such as voting on price feed disputes, approving new price identifiers and collateral currencies, upgrading the core DVM protocol, and/or modify DVM parameters, registering and deregistering contract templates, and sometimes even shutting down contract instantiates. By partaking in this, you can earn UMA tokens. Another cool feature about the governance system is that users can also use their UMA tokens that they stored in cold wallets to vote on proposals, simply by pasting your cold wallet address and clicking deploy. With that being said, what is the price? Currently the price is sitting just below $40. After the news of a USDT asset that was to be listed, it broke its all-time highs and rallied to a high of $44. The coin has a market cap of $2.1 billion, with a circulating supply of 55.7 million UMA tokens, out of the 101 million. In order to incentivize voter participation, every time a voting process takes place on the network, an inflationary reward equal to 0.05% of the current UMA supply is distributed among active voters proportionate to their current stake. Also, here are the top exchanges for acquiring the UMA token. So what is great about UMA? UMA is built on the Ethereum blockchain. UMA enables developers to create synthetic assets that track anything. UMA uses smart contracts that don't require on-chain oracles. With UMA's DVM, smart contracts are guaranteed economic security. The governance model is open to all users and is incentivized to pay those who take part in the ecosystem. So where will the price go? Currently this token ranks number 25 on CMC with a $2 billion market cap, but I think it can reach the $8 billion market cap, which is around the top 13 coins, or in other words 4x. So my prediction is $160. And since the price exploded after the Ustonks news, this is very realistic. Nonetheless, I expect resistance around the $10 area and major resistance at the $50 and $100 areas, so currently we have resistance at $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, and major resistance at $100. As always, the price may pull back before or rally past predicted resistance levels. That's all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And as always, do your own research, practice good risk management, and once again, I am not a financial advisor. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.